In today's video, I am going to teach you how to unlink Zoom from Freshsales Crm. To get started, open your web browser and log in to your Freshsales account. Make sure you are using the correct account that currently has Zoom connected, because the unlinking option will only appear for the integrations tied to that login. Once you are signed in, you should land on your Freshsales dashboard or main workspace. Take a moment to orient yourself so you can follow along without getting lost. Next, you will click your profile icon. This is usually located in the upper corner of the Freshsales interface, often near your name or account menu. After you click it, a drop-down or menu will appear. From that menu, select Personal Settings. This is the area where Freshsales lets you manage your account preferences and connected tools. If you do not see Personal Settings right away, look for it in the drop-down list, since the menu layout can vary slightly based on your screen size. After you open Personal Settings, you will want to find the Calendar and Conferencing tab. You may notice that Personal Settings contains different sections, such as General Preferences or Notifications, so it helps to scroll slightly if needed. Click the Calendar and Conferencing tab to continue. This specific section is important because it is where Freshsales connects scheduling and meeting tools, including video conferencing services like Zoom. Now that you are in the Calendar and Conferencing area, look for a Connected App listing. In that section, find Zoom. The interface should show Zoom as an active or connected application, indicating it is currently linked to your Freshsales account for scheduling or meeting purposes. If you see additional details next to Zoom, such as its status, that is normal, and you can ignore the extra information for now. The key point is to locate the Zoom entry in your Connected Apps list. Once you have found Zoom in your Connected App area, you will click the trash icon to delete the connection. This action tells Freshsales that you want to remove the integration. Before you click it, take a quick second to confirm you are selecting the trash icon that corresponds specifically to Zoom, not another app. This prevents accidental changes to other integrations you might still want to keep. When you are ready, click the trash icon. After you remove it, wait for Freshsales to process the change. Zoom will automatically be disconnected. This means the link between Freshsales and Zoom is removed, and you should no longer see Zoom listed as a connected app in the same section. Depending on your interface, the page may update immediately, or it may refresh to reflect the new state. To finish, you can scroll back and verify that Zoom is no longer present under Connected Apps. If the Zoom entry has disappeared or shows as disconnected, then the unlinking was successful. You are essentially done once you confirm that the integration is removed in that Calendar and Conferencing tab. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.